Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this WYZE cam pan. Here's everything that comes in the box, quick start guide. You do have to plug it in. It comes with a 6-foot long cord. It's flat but yet flexible, so you're going to plug this in right here. And then the other end's going to plug into the camera. Here's the camera. Make sure you take this plastic off the front here. Here's what it looks like. We have a bag of hardware, big screw and some wood screws for mounting. A template and this bracket. So real quick, the camera is about 5 inches tall. It's about 2 inches by 2 inch cube. Now the AC adapter you can plug into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Its output is 5 volts, 2000 milliamps, so about 2 amps. Now the other end is micro USB. So we got to plug that into the camera right here on the bottom, we can see. And there's like a 1/4 thread if you need to mount it to like a tripod or something. So you get it'll only go one way. Just push that in, and the cable, there's a little spot for the cable to go through. So push that in, and then you can just rotate that back and forth. It should be nice and flush. Looks like there's a speaker on the back. Okay, so give it some space because as soon as you plug it in, it wants to move and do things. So don't hold it. Make sure you got it on a nice flat surface. So that bigger screw is to go through and mount it with this. Yeah, that's 1/4 thread. You're going to put it in like this, and then you can mount this like that. You know, there's all kinds of different possibilities the way you can mount it. Put this on the wall, put it on the ground. But that's what that screw's for. And then you have these 2 screws, which are to mount the actual mount. Which even though the whole, you put the screws in and then you move them up, that's what's going to hold it, not there in the middle. That way you can put the screws in and then you just put it on and rotate the bracket up or down. Okay, so you got to get the WYZE app. You do have to give it an email, and then you're going to log in and then you're going to click new device. And we're going to pick camera. I'm going to click Pan Cam V3. I don't know if I have V3 or not. Yes, it's powered on. And yes, the light is flashing red. So only 2.4 gigahertz is supported, and click your Wi-Fi and give it your Wi-Fi password. Okay, looks like we have to press the setup button on the camera and then click this little mark. And yeah, that button right there does say setup. So press it.
Ready to connect.
All right, now click I have heard, ready to connect. Okay, so you have a QR code on your phone and the camera wants to see it.
QR code scanned.
Okay,
Please
so
wait.
you just have to kind of hold it and then hit I heard the QR code.
Setup completed.
All right. Now we need to name it. Okay, so there is a new firmware available. All right, so I'm going to upgrade. You have to leave it plugged in and leave your phone on. Okay, that took about 5 minutes. Oh, another firmware. Okay, this thing had 3 updates. So now it looks like it's in tracking mode automatically. So it's tracking. So it seems like wherever there's motion, it tracks. Now if I move over here, yeah, then it's going to track that motion right there. Yeah, and that's the button that's selected, the track motion. Ooh, we can do time lapse, pan, privacy mode, record, siren. Okay, so I put it in privacy mode. It does have an SD card slot. And it is waterproof, so you can put a micro SD card right there. That's kind of nice. And it is waterproof, so you can put this outside. So you can have this record everything to that micro SD card, but you have to pay for a subscription if you wanted to record it to the cloud. So this is a really nice camera. I'm going to put the SD card in it. I'm going to put this outside and I'm pretty excited about using it. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.